Okay, now we do that one more thing. That is what now? Electric field due to an dipole on equatorial line. Okay. Next heading is what now? Please write the heading. Electric field due to dipole on equatorial line. Or we can say one more word I have given to you, that is perpendicular bisector. So let us take now. There is here positive charge. There is here what type of charge? Negative charge. At given location for this A and B, and these two are separated by some distance. Let's say how much it is? 2e. Okay, and there is center of the dipole. Let's say center is what now? O. Now I want to have what now? Perpendicular bisector, right? Let's draw perpendicular bisector now. This is what we call the red line indicating what now? Perpendicular bisector it is. Now I want to find the electric field at some point here. Let's say point P. Okay. Now let us take now. It is a distance of how much? Let's say R. From where now? From again center of the dipole. How much distance it is? R. From where it is center of the dipole. Now I want to continue the diagram. I want to find the electric field at point P due to plus Q charge, which is located where now A corner, A point. Now how can you find? Like it will be drawing a line. Okay, so it will be in this direction now. That is electric field due to what now? Plus Q charge. Now what about electric field to negative charge? It will be like line joining these two. It will be in this direction. Electric field due to what now? Minus Q charge. Let's say if I take this angle is theta, okay, then okay, I'm going to write the x-axis, y-axis components here. What about this angle, friends? Then this angle is theta. Do you agree with that? Because there what type of angle? Corresponding angles, right? It will become theta. Now, if this is become theta, what about this angle then? This angle must be theta. Now we divide electric field into two components. One is along vertical, one is along horizontal. So this is become what now? This is E plus Q cos theta. And this is become what now? E plus Q sin theta. And similarly, E minus Q I should divide now. If I divide E minus Q, it will become what now? E minus Q cos theta. And here downward, along this one, it will become what now? E minus Q sin theta. Now look at E plus Q sin theta, E minus Q sin theta. They are in opposite direction, they cancel each other. Equal in magnitude, opposite direction, they cancel each other. Only contributing what now? These two components will contribute. E plus Q sin theta, okay, E plus Q cos theta, E minus Q cos theta. We need to find out. Now, from here, one more thing. Distance from A to B is to A. Then A to O is how much? A to O is A. And O to P is how much? R we have taken. Then what is the distance from A to P? It will be using Pythagoras theorem. It is square root of R square plus A square. Okay, similarly, from P to B, it is square root of, it is R square plus A square. Directly I am writing. Okay, using Pythagoras theorem of a triangle POA. POA. Okay, so this is about a diagram. So student, diagram is clear to all of you. And the direction of dipole moment is what now? In this direction, dipole moment, that is P vector. That is from where? From negative charge to positive charge. So is the diagram is clear to all of you now? Any doubt regarding diagram? Okay, let us move on to next then. Let us move on to next then. If there is no doubt on the diagram, is let us move on to next then. Let's find electric field first one by one. So I start from here. electric field at P due to plus Q charge. How much it is? Electric field due to plus Q charge will be equal to, okay, will be equal to how much it is? I'm just take what now? Scalar notation I'll take, because here the direction is not exactly on x-axis or y-axis. So that's the reason. That is what now? 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught multiplied by charge q divided by distance is what now, students? Distance from A to P, right? So what is the value of distance from A to P? Already we know here. A to P is this much. Then actually it is AP square, right? It will become what now? Directly R square plus A square. That it is, because look at now, actual formula is what now? It is AP square. So means square root of R square plus A square whole square. This whole square and this root is going to cancel. Become just what now? R square plus A square. That directly I wrote R square plus A square. Okay, that is one. Next thing. Similarly, I need to find electric field to what now? Negative charge. Let's say now electric field due to negative charge. Electric field at P due to minus Q charge. What is the formula? Electric field at P due to negative charge is given by 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught multiplied by Q divided by, again distance from here to here, right now students? It is again same. Is how much it is? R square minus plus A square. Let's say, okay, equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now I'm going to consider from the diagram now. From diagram, see this E plus Q sine theta and E minus Q sine theta, they are not going to contribute, they are opposite direction. Okay, and look at that, E plus Q cos theta and E plus minus Q cos theta are going to contribute. And then what direction? Along positive x-axis. But look at here, the dipole moment is what direction, students? Along negative x-axis. And these two are in what direction? These two are in opposite direction. Then I'm going to take now the net electric field E vector is equal to negative times of what common here in these two? Cos theta is common. E due to plus Q charge plus E due to minus Q charge multiplied by cos theta into P cap. So since I'm indicating P cap, I'm going to put here negative sign. Sir, I'm not indicating P cap. So then don't use negative sign, leave it, because direction doesn't matter that time. Since it is electric field is a vector quantity, I'm using with negative sign. Now we insert these values, both are same only, right? So since both are same, if you add up, it will become 2 times, right? It will become negative times of 2 times of 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q divided by R square plus A square into cos theta into P cap. So this here I'm going to write like this, minus 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into 2Q divided by R square plus A square multiplied by cos theta. We need to find out. Look at a triangle. What triangle we can take? APO. So look at now cos theta. What is the value of cos theta? Cos theta is given by adjacent by hypotenuse, right? Adjacent is what now? AO. Divided by hypotenuse is what now? AP. So AO is A, that is distance from this point to this point, divided by hypotenuse is what now? It is R square plus A square whole to the power of 1 by 2 we can write. Square root I'm going to write 1 by 2. So I'm going to insert this value here in the place of cos theta. It will become A divided by R square plus A square whole to the power of 1 by 2. I want to tell you one more thing. X to the power of 1 into x to the power of 1 by 2 become what, students? X to the power of 3 by 2, right? It is like something now. It is to the power 1 is there. Here to the power of 1 by 2 is there. And moreover here, 2Q into P. This is like Q times of 2A. Become what now? P, right? Numerator become P vector. So it will become negative 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into P vector divided by, here P cap is missing, divided by it is R square plus A square whole to the power of 3 by 2 into P cap. So this is what now? This is the formula for what now? Electric field due to what now? Due to a dipole on equatorial line. On which line it is? On equatorial line. Sir, what if I leave it here only? This step? Not issue. You can leave it. Not at all issue. Okay, there is no issue with that. You can leave it as it is. Now we go for considering what now? Short dipole, a small dipole. For short dipole, what is the condition for short dipole? The distance of point B, what we taken R, which is much more greater than the dipole length A. Okay, too much greater than. That case, what will happen? It is going to cancel, right? A is going to neglect it, right? It will become what now? Electric field E equal to minus divided 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught multiplied by P vector divided by, this is what now? It will become R. See, R to the power of cube, right? Because look at it, if we cancel like this, it will become what now? R square whole power 3 by 2. 2 and 2 is going to cancel, it will become R to the power of 3 into P cap. Okay, this is what now? Equatorial line. So I indicate with EEQ. 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 So this is what, student? This is what? Electric field due to a dipole on equatorial line. Okay, here one thing, this P cap will not come here. Here also P cap will not come. The reason is here P vector is there, no? P vector equal to QA into 2A into P cap. The reason is this reason. Okay, so means actually I write now always P vector is equal to what now? Means dipole moment is given by Q times of 2A vector, or we can write like this, Q times of 2A into P cap. Okay, that's the thing. That's the reason. So this is what now? This is electric field due to a short dipole on where now? On equatorial line. This for short dipole. This is for main formula. Okay. So in the next class, we are going to continue with what now? Different things like dipole we have done. Then physical significance of dipole. When we keep a dipole in external electric field, what will happen? Whether it is going to rotate or not. Okay, and then we proceed for next concepts. Okay. Yes, thank you so much to all of you for today.